If your Samsung washer won't unlock and you're staring at a load of laundry trapped inside, I understand the frustration. This can happen for a variety of reasons, but thankfully, there are some simple steps you can try before calling in a technician. Let's walk through a few solutions that might get that door open for you. First, if your Samsung washer won't unlock, immediately after a cycle, give it a few extra minutes. Sometimes, the washer may still be completing processes like draining water or cooling down, which can delay the door unlocking. If it seems to be taking longer than usual, try unplugging the machine for a few minutes, then plugging it back in. Often, this reset allows the electronic lock to release, especially if a minor glitch has caused it to stay locked. Another common reason a Samsung washer won't unlock is if there's still water in the drum. Washers have a safety feature to keep the door locked when water remains inside, preventing leaks. To check, press on the door slightly. If it feels heavy, water might still be in the drum. You can resolve this by activating the emergency drain. Most Samsung washers have a small access panel at the front bottom. Behind it, you'll find a drain hose that you can pull out to empty the remaining water. Be prepared with a bowl or tray to catch the water, and once it's drained, the door should unlock. Sometimes, the door lock mechanism itself might be stuck. In this case, you may be able to manually release it. Inside the same bottom access panel, there's usually a small plastic pull tab or lever. Pulling this should release the door manually, allowing you to open it safely without damaging the locking system. However, do this gently, as forcing it open can lead to issues with the latch that may require replacement. If none of these solutions work and your Samsung washer won't unlock, despite your efforts, there might be a more complex issue with the door latch or the control board. In this situation, it's best to contact a professional technician. Samsung washers have intricate locking systems, and sometimes a faulty part needs to be replaced. A technician will have the tools and expertise to diagnose the issue accurately, whether it's the latch, control board, or another component that's causing the door to remain locked. To prevent future locking problems, regular maintenance can go a long way. Keep the door and latch area clean and free of detergent buildup, which can interfere with the locking mechanism over time. By taking these steps, you'll help keep your Samsung washer functioning smoothly, reducing the chances that you'll encounter a lock